If you love potatoes, I mean really love potatoes, then you need to stop whatever you're doing and check out our loaded hash browns. They're easy to make, packed with flavor, and they're a far cry from your everyday side dish. All we do is combine a bag of shredded hash browns with some scallions, salt, and pepper. About half of this goes into a large skillet that we've preheated and drizzled with vegetable oil. We press this down with a spatula. This way it'll cook evenly. A bit of shredded cheddar cheese goes over that, along with some crumbled bacon, and then the rest of our potatoes. After the bottom gets crispy, place a plate on top of that and carefully flip it over before sliding it back into the skillet. When both sides are golden, we top it with more cheese and bacon, cut it into wedges, and we're good to go. It's everything we love about hash browns with the added goodness of a loaded baked potato. The recipe for our loaded layered hash browns is online now, so you can make it for your potato lovers. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a crispy, cheesy, bacony way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.